Hello everyone, it's March 23rd, 2025. We're at Charlie's. Hi everyone. And Shannon's on the computer. Say hi, Shannon.
Hi.
Today we're gonna make something what my mom and dad used to make like quite often back in the day, the salmon buns, right? And sometimes one would make it for lunch, or sometimes dad would make it on a Friday night just for a late night snack sometimes. So we're gonna get the salmon happening and the buns going on. And Charlie's going to get some salmon juice apparently. So right now everyone, we're going to open the salmon. So I can't film and open at the same time. So we're going to open the salmon first and we'll show you. You go ahead. You got Chef Shannon's going to open it up.
Soon you'll be able to hear Mr. Charlie in the background, because you'll smell. I think that might be open now. Not quite all the way. Oh, there we go.
There.
Now.
Oh, Shannon's going to drain some juice off for Charlie.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. That got most of it out, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, so Shannon will put that down there. And Charlie's going to have this. Oh, Charlie's got his salmon juice.
Charlie loves salmon juice.
Charlie, look at this. Oh, Charlie's got salmon juice. Okay, well, since Charlie's having his salmon juice, I'm going to get on to the next step. Which Shannon got most of the juice out. So, but I'm just still going to put in a strainer for a little bit. Okay, Charlie's got his juice. We've got our salmon in here, so we got to mush it in here. Then we'll put it in that bowl. But what I'll do is I'm going to preheat the broiler oven. Okay, as you can see, everyone, I've got it mostly mashed, and we're going to put it in our stainless steel bowl here in a sec. Okay, everybody, as you can see, we got it in our mixing bowl. Now we're going to put some of the mayonnaise. In this case, we're using Hellmann's mayonnaise. Okay, everybody, as you can see, we got our salmon mixed up with the mayonnaise. So we got we got to get our buns out. We got to put, I can't believe it's not butter on the buns. Okay, as you can see, we got our buns out now. What do you think of that, Charlie? Oh, rub, that's great. There we go. Here we go, everyone. We've got the buns with the margarine or butter on. Now we're going to evenly space the salmon on the buns, and we put our cheese on, everybody. Okay, everybody, we got our salmon on the buns, and there's a little bit of salmon left over in here, so I'll ask Shannon if she wants me to put it in something for her, for Charlie, like. But anyway, now we got to put our cheese on. Okay, as you can see, we got our cheese on the board now. Or on the bun. So now we got to transfer it onto here to put it in the oven, everybody. Okay, everybody, it's time to put it in the oven, and we got it on the broil mode. So this is going to be good. This is how my mom and dad used to make them, and actually my dad would make the grilled cheese sandwiches this way too. Okay, so we're going to put it in the oven, and for this case, I seem to remember him keeping the oven door like 3/4 of the way open. Okay, everybody, we're going to try to take a look to see how they're coming. Oh, I think they're coming on good. Let me just pause it for. Hey, everybody, look at that. I think they turned out good. We're gonna give maybe another minute or so, then we'll plate it up, and that will be it. Okay, so there's the finished product.
Just open it a tiny bit. Thank you.
I'm going to try it out first before we...
Might need a...
Hang on. Here we go. Shannon trying the salmon bun.
Even though I know what they taste like, could have had them.
Yeah.
So yummy.
Is it good? Is it hot enough? It's good?
Mm-hmm. Well, of course it's hot enough.
Okay, everybody. I guess that's it for this one. And there's Charlie there. What did you think of your stuff? Oh, Robbie, it was good. Anybody, Everyone, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, okay? Everybody, thank you. Meow.